Hello, everyone. Welcome back into Fairbanks Evening News. Mike Schultz with you once again, taking a look at the weather. And the clouds moved in, a few snow flurries here and there. We are definitely going back to a winter-type look out there. That's going to continue for the next few days. We'll talk about that in a little bit. Again, another nice aurora shot. This one sent in by Craig Person. We'll call this a dancing aurora for obvious reasons. Really beautiful shot there. Nice colors, the greens, the purples. Great photograph. And again, as always, if you have a photograph to share, send it to photos@ktvf11.com. Out at the airport right now, here's what it looks like. 18 degrees. That's our high for the day. The overnight low 7 below. Record high in 1957, record low in 1951. Sunrise and sunset, 10 hours and 36 minutes of daylight. Winds are calm and the barometer is rising. And we have an air quality index alert. We don't have any alerts. How about that? Believe it or not. For the first time in a long time. Yeah, really, it's worth cheering for. That's good news to pass along. Here's what's going on as far as our satellite and radar. You can see more moisture coming up from the Gulf of Alaska, but our moisture is coming in from the northwest, across the Bering Sea and then across the northwest part of Alaska, and it's just kind of setting up shop over to the west of us and helping spin a little pockets of moisture, giving us light snow. What's going on across the rest of the state? Well, again, very, very quiet weather pattern across southeast Alaska, the Gulf of Alaska, mainly cloudy skies, sunshine up and down the west coast, partly cloudy skies at Barrow, and partly cloudy skies also in Fort Yukon. Lower 48 weather. More rain falling across the Pacific Northwest, and some rain has moved in over parts of Texas, while thunderstorms rumble over the eastern side of the country. On our satellite and radar, you can see much moisture moving across the bayou states here. In fact, it was freezing rain this morning at one time in the Houston area, and a lot of moisture moving across the Pacific Northwest and the western coast. And again, for Wednesday and Thursday, strong winds expected from Washington down through Oregon and Northern California, heavy mountain snows, and more rain expected there. The overall picture calling for the jet stream to be taking a pretty good dive once again, bringing more cold air across the northern part of the country, while down to the south things warm up and skies clear out. It looks pretty good. Back to Alaska's map for tomorrow, for the weather I should say. You're looking for flurries for Barrow, mostly sunny skies for Nome, snow likely in the Fort Yukon area. Here in the interior for Fairbanks, Healy, and Delta Junction, a little bit of light snow off and on with maybe an inch expected at the most. Over southeast Alaska, looking at lots of sunshine for Juneau and Ketchikan. And out to the southwest, we have, for the most part, rain and snow at Cold Bay and Kodiak, and partly cloudy skies in Bethel. And over the south central regions, looking at 2 to 5 inches of snow for Valdez, 1 to 3 in Anchorage, and just cloudy skies at Homer. Okay, time once again for our kids' weather. This week, talking with the kids from Chinook Charter School. Here's a young lady with a picture.
Hi, my name is Grace, and I'm in Aaron's class, and I'm in 4th, 5th, and 6th grade class. This is my picture I drew. I drew this because soon summer's going to come and it's going to rain, and I like to jump in the puddles and the flowers will grow.
And tomorrow night, we'll have another young lady with a weather question. All right, here's your forecast for the remainder of the night. Looking at periods of light snow and not as cold as last night, 4 degrees below zero. Tomorrow's forecast, more light snow off and on throughout the day, maybe an inch of snow, 12 degrees. The extended forecast calling for temperatures to just about hover right around the mid-teens each day. A little cooling off by Sunday and Monday into the single digits, while overnight lows will also cool off. As you can see, our overnight lows dropping down to around 8 degrees below zero. All in all, not too bad, and no more precipitation expected after Thursday.